Hi, this is Nilanjan Ghosh from Informatica Global Customer Support, and today we are going to see how to use the value of a mapping variable from parameter file in PowerCenter 9.6.1 and 10.2. So today's agenda would be to create a mapping and a mapping variable, define the value of the mapping variable in the parameter file, use the mapping variable to write it to the target, and check for the values in the target file. So I've already created a mapping. It's a flat file source with an expression transformation and a flat file target. And I have defined two mapping variables. Let's test out with this particular, the test. Okay, and we are using this particular variable over here. Okay, so the mapping variable is defined as $test, and we are using it in the ports of the expression. It's an output port, and we are writing it to the target. Okay, and let's check the parameter file which we have created. So I have defined the $test as NEEL, and this is the section for that particular mapping. Let's check the workflow. As WF new mapping 70.param, and we are basically writing it to SFTC11.out npm target file directory. Okay, so we will refresh the mapping. There was a change because we renamed that particular variable, and let's run this particular session. Okay, so it's running. Okay, it succeeded. Let's check the value in the target file. So Neil got printed here. So let's modify it a bit. So we will define a mapping variable called, say, ABCD, and we'll be using it over here, ABCD. Okay, and we have to change the parameter file. Okay, so ABCD, and we will change it to, say, test or mapping variable. Okay, so let's refresh the mapping. Okay, and rerun it. So it's running right now. Okay, it succeeded. So we'll check the value. So mapping variable, this got truncated because we have to specify the precision accordingly. So the value got reflected here. So this is how we use a mapping variable value from parameter file. We would love to hear from you at supportvideos@informatica.com, and this is our Twitter handle. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.